Happening now, a new program in Philadelphia hoping to address the opioid epidemic and homelessness. And it starts today. Our Jeff Cole has the story.
How to break the grip of opioids and homelessness. Project Home says it has a plan, and now the money. Under a tent in the middle of Fairmount Ave, the leaders of Project Home launched what they say is a game changer in the battle against opioid addiction and its many victims.
This is a huge step forward, Instead of wringing our hands and saying, what can be done? This is going to demonstrate that things can be done, that there is hope.
Sister Mary Scullion is the tireless and renowned co-founder of Project Home, started 3 decades ago to combat homelessness. Through the years, Project Home has built 1,000 units of what's called supportive housing for those not just homeless, but often struggling with addiction. She says Project Home is taking the next step.
This collaborative provides linkages between street outreach, the hospital's treatment, and then a place to live.
Sitting under the tent, Ira Lubert and Pam Estat. With a $25 million donation from the couple, Project Home will start the Estat-Lubert Collaborative for Housing and Recovery. Working with Temple, Penn, and Jefferson Health Systems, Project Home plans to build 125 new housing units in 3 years for those who are treated for addiction in the hospitals but have no place to go afterwards.
All 3 hospital systems see the same thing we do, that it doesn't make sense to just discharge a person to the streets.
Lots of ulcers, lots of lacerations, lots of holes, and people needing services. And when we go to the hospital, we're not always treated the way that we should be.
Monique Taylor, in recovery from addiction, is a Project Home outreach worker in Kensington, ground zero in the opioid crisis. She and Sam Santiago try to convince the addicted to seek treatment. Sam wears a dog tag emblazoned with the image of his son, who lost his life to addiction.
I share my story with them about my son, and then they kind of they'll remember sometimes. That might be able to bring, if it brings one kid in to go into treatment.
Temple health officials say they're treating 50 to 60 people a day struggling with opioids. In Fairmount, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News.